Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of cars. If you love speed, style, and cutting-edge performance, you're in the right place. Today, we have something special, something that will get every car enthusiast's heart racing. Buckle up because we're diving into the 2025 Ford Focus RS. This hot hatch is back, and it means business. Ford has taken everything great about the previous models and turned it up a notch. Sleeker, sharper, and more aggressive, the new Focus RS is built to dominate the streets and the track. The redesigned front end features an even bolder grille, sharp LED headlights, and large air intakes for maximum cooling. The aerodynamic bodywork, flared wheel arches, and a massive rear spoiler make it clear, this car is all about performance. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. The 2025 Focus RS is powered by a turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, producing an impressive 400 horsepower. That's right, 400 horses in a compact, all-wheel drive beast. The power is delivered through a refined 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring lightning-fast shifts. And let's not forget the advanced torque vectoring system, which keeps this machine glued to the road even in the sharpest corners. Step inside, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit designed for both comfort and performance. The Recaro Sport seats hug you in place, while the digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data. The infotainment system is powered by Ford's latest Sync 4, featuring a large touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a performance mode that adjusts driving dynamics on the fly. Carbon fiber accents, ambient lighting, and a flat-bottom steering wheel add to the sporty feel. Safety hasn't been overlooked, either. The Focus RS is equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising on the highway, this car has your back. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Ford Focus RS is expected to start around $50,000, making it a serious competitor in the performance hatchback segment. With its aggressive styling, powerful engine, and cutting-edge technology, it offers a driving experience that few can match at this price point. So, what's the verdict? The new Focus RS is everything fans hoped for and more. It's faster, smarter, and more refined while keeping that raw, thrilling character that makes it a legend. Whether you're a track day enthusiast or just want a car that turns heads, this one's for you. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments, would you take the new Focus RS over the competition? See you in the next one.